it's also giving that little hair dryer, it gives that voluminous effect. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, so let's get started. Okay, I know you've already read this title and you're excited, and that's the reason you clicked this video, and I'm very excited as you are. I saw this reel on Instagram, some random people, and after that one reel I saw a lot of people trying this same product, and there was this one person who had Dyson Airwrap and still tried this and said this is far better and all. She had Dyson and she had ordered this and she said this was better. So I'm like, I should try it. So I ordered this, and one thing that was actually very made me excited was, so when you're ordering, they'll ask you for the delivery date that you want, and I ordered it on 23rd. So it was asking if I want it to be delivered on the same date. I know, too much expectations I did not have, so I chose 24th. Again, I knew I will not be getting it the next day, obviously, but it was okay because I received it on 24th, just 5 days from the date I ordered. I mean, that's not bad. I have seen few brands where they've taken weeks to deliver the product, so not bad. I had the same trust issues like anybody. So the actual price of the product when I was ordering online, it was 1,500 or something. I think it had come to 1,600. So I did cash on delivery. What if I pay and they send me some Kali dabba? You never know. So I did cash on delivery, and once I received the product, so finally I paid 1,650. So 1,650, and if all of these actually work, it's a jackpot. So this is the box that I received. I opened to see if I had all the 5 pieces that they've mentioned, just in case. Now I'll show you what all you receive in this. I just don't like the way they have marketed this brand. It just says hot air styler. You cannot know what brand it is, but the brand name is actually Airstyler. So it says fine one hot air, and I don't think this is any Indian product, and I don't know which countries this is, and some language is there, but I have very less GK about language, but I feel it might be Spanish. Now I'll open and show what all you get. It looks so much like Dyson. Now see, I cannot tell you if this is better than Dyson and all, because I don't have Dyson, and if I could afford Dyson, why would I have got this da? But I've seen in stores, I've gone and tried Dyson in stores, not on my real hair, they have that dummy hair, no, on that. Now I'll show you what all I have got. First is this hair dryer, which is very, very similar to Dyson. Actually, all of the pieces are very similar. Next is this comb. Next is this hair roller. Next comes the exciting part. So you get 2 air wrap, and oh yeah, they have mentioned the arrow of the side also. So, and finally is the product where you get to connect all of this. In this you have 3 speeds, 0, 1, 2 and 3, and this is the where you attach stuff. Let me tell you, before they have actually mentioned, see, I know for a fact the difference is very evident. Difference is that it gives out hot air, so there is going to be damage on your hair, and it doesn't have any cool setting and all. But let's see if it works first. Rest and all later. I'll just quickly remove this. Okay, my hair is actually completely dry, and I just sprinkled some water to try that hair dryer one. Let me connect this. How do I connect it? Okay, it's not coming out. Now let's see. Yeah, but it's shaking, yeah. Have I connected properly? Oh wait. Wait. So they've given arrow here, oh, now it's not shaking. See? Let's on it, and let's hope this doesn't pop out. First, I'll keep it in 1. Okay, why is it so tight? Okay, I think I'm just nervous. I tried to switch it on 1, and too much airflow, and you do have that very, very little very less that plasticky smell, but I'm not sure if it is actually just first. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Third is the heat. First one is the cool set. Pretty good, but it's just that it's smelling like the wire smell. So I'm now worried, and I just hope no wire is damaged. First of all, I have trust issues with these electronic devices, but it works. See, I just sprayed very less water, like just in case. But see, this is it's also giving that little hair dryer, it gives that voluminous effect kind of a thing. Let's move on to the next one quickly. It does have a little smell. Next one, I'll be trying the comb. Even in this, they have given that arrow. It's got a little heated inside. Okay, again, I'm going to do in first one only. It's a little cool because in first speed only, I'm getting a little plastic or I don't know, wire smell. So I don't want to take risk. In first speed only, it's so much like windy. It's a little difficult, I feel. If you're planning to like straighten your hair, then okay, pretty good. See, this is my hair like without the combing, and this side I like tried combing it, and it is working pretty well. Next, I'm gonna be using this roller. It's not very user friendly, bro. You need to put all your effort. This is a disaster. Like, I just feel I should just directly jump into the air wrap because this is not going to work because there's too much wind, like, from these holes, and when you're trying to do this, it's not just curling, it's more like straightening your hair. So if you're planning to curl your hair with this, and if you have plans to buy this and curl your hair, no, it's not going to work. I'll just quickly move on to the air wrap one, which you and I are both excited for. First, I will do the left. It's not sitting on. Okay, I figured it out. So you're supposed to push this button and then put it. Then it is. Okay, are you ready for it? Wait, I'll do it front itself so that it's very visible. See, I'm sweating right now. Let's give it another shot. Okay, see that I don't know how to do this, or this is not working. First of all, it did not immediately take, so let's try it again. Let's take lesser quantity. Okay, okay, I had to switch off everything. This is a disaster. I sorry for change of light, but this got off immediately and I switched off everything, and after that there was smoke coming out of it. Smoke was coming out of this, and I think over here, I don't know, now it's not seen, and this is like mildly hot. This is very dangerous. First of all, I have phobia of using electronic devices after I had this short circuit of my hair dryer, and I still, I'm always excited to try new hair products, hair styling products. This is one of the worst products that I've tried so far because all it does is just blow out air and it does nothing. First thing itself, there was this plastic smell. I mean, it is most of the products, yes, you do get that plastic smell, but this was not going at all, and I just kept it in speed 1. There was plastic smell, there was wire melting smell. If you ever get to watch this video on Instagram and see people trying out this product, please don't buy. I'm just going to figure out a way to return it, and I hope I can return it and get back my money, because this is not safe, this is not working. This just works like a hair dryer, and I feel even after a point this will just turn off, or you might end up having like a, I don't know, smoke or fire. You might have few fire or short circuit or whatever it is. Please don't buy this product. I was actually very excited, and at the same time it was also like, I knew for a fact somewhere this might not work, but I was excited. I will not say that I was not. I saw so many people do this air wrap thing and it actually worked for them, and in that one of it was actually not sponsored. Like, I tried rolling it and did, and nothing happened. So while I figure out to return this product, please don't get scammed like this, like I got. This was not a great one. It is not safe. So if you get brainwashed like me, please don't get. Let's just save more money and get Dyson, because at least it works. Like, personally, say if you don't like Dyson and if you feel it's why do you want to waste so much money, agreed. I just feel it's like a personal investment, because you save a lot of time in hairstyling and all of it, and I like such things. Yeah, I just hope you came across this video after watching a lot of Instagram reels just like me, and a lot of YouTube videos. This doesn't work, and I hope you don't waste your money on it. Yeah, this was my third hairstyling video, like hairstyling product video, and this really went wrong. So I just hope you share this with a lot of people, and let's just stop buying this scammy product while I try to come out of my sadness and calm myself and try to return this. I hope you like this video and give a big fat thumbs up for my courage to try this. Okay, I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.